So I will try another time to make one more time to make a video. Now the first video there is a change from the first video because it has not worked so well. Also in the first video I said that this should be cut. This rumper, this nose should be cut, but if you cut it, it's not good. And if you cut it, you have a leak. It's not sealing very well. I am not prepared at all about English, how to make it in English, but I will try. So don't cut it. It's better not to cut it. It's seal better if you don't cut it. The question was this seal very well, and you can have it the full container from this soldering part, the container just full with this nose, and it works very well. But if you have this small container full, then the pressure is very high, and I noticed something that if the pressure is very high, then this you can if the pressure is very high and you have this button until the end, not from here just the small amount of gas but full gas, then there is a problem, and I will try to show you at first what the problem is. If you have the full amount of gas, then you cannot start it very well, and that's why you have, if the container is full, that's why you have to start with little gas, because the pressure is high. Then you have to start with little gas, and then after 1 minute, I think, then you can see it. You can see it how it works, and then you will understand, and you will start it little by little to the full amount of gas. I will make a try. Yep, this is the sign. I forgot every time how to handle it, and all like this or like this, but this is the sign. Yes, this is the container, and this is the number of the container, and in Germany you find it only, I think, only from Hagebau. It's a Baumarkt. When you like this, and not like this, not like this, it's different. So like this, and I think it's quite heavy. You can hear nothing come out. It's sealing very well. Just take your time, and and I can yes, here you have to take your time and just keep pressing like 1 minute until the container is full, the small container inside of the soldering apparatus. And now it's full, and with this one, when I cut it, this one, it doesn't seal very well. So now if I have this button to the end, and now I think it cannot start it very well to the full amount. You see, there's no flame, there is just either is this air bubble, or of course you have to leave it a little bit just to and then you can start it, but I don't think it's so it's a lot of gas, it's a lot of pressure. That's why I start from this position, and then I will try to start. You see, it's very little amount, and doesn't come a lot of gas outside, and you can no, it's not starting, but yet now you have to, either you have to wait a little bit or you have to try it, but I always started in this position. So and now in this position, little by little, and now you can see it. Oh yes, you see it very nice. It's to the end now for some reason, and now yes, little by little, but I will try it again because you can see it very nice, very clearly. I will keep it like this, a little bit press here. Now it's full. You see it doesn't leak at all, and I think it's full. If I try to start in this position, no, it's not good. That's why in this position try to start it, but maybe it's not quick immediately. Whoops, sorry, no. Yes, in this position. Can see it, very nice. That is what I wanted to show you. I think this is the question which a friend posted and asked it. Yes, just little by little, and then it's perfect. Yes, I don't know what this is. I think yes, but it's working very nice. It's okay. It's nice. You need it was impossible to take it full without this one, just like this, or with this other the other things what inside. So was impossible with this one. You cannot have it. But yes, you need one of these or something else inside this one. So yes, the other thing which I wanted to show is very nice. Very nice thing, which I come in a few minutes. I'll be there. I will be back. Yes, this is another good action operation for this apparatus. Yep. Yo. Oh God. No. I don't think it's good. Yep. No, I don't think this was very good because I saw it something. Oh God. Oh no. I don't think this is safe. But I have seen it in different way. The flame was not here. The flame was not here, but a little bit further. I will try it again. Yes, but oh no, sorry. No, nothing. It's okay. It was like this. Yeah, this is the end. That thing, this position matters. That was the purpose of this video, how to start it after the container was full.